In this video, we'll use the power of dashboards to keep an overview of the status of tests and bug fixes. Here's a view of the test sets in this project together with tests and their states. It would be nice to get a quick big picture impression of how things are going with these tests and any associated bugs. We can do that using a dashboard. To get started, I'll create a new dashboard by using a context menu. I'll just name this dashboard Test Management for the sake of simplicity. To start, we'll create a new group. I'll name it Numerical Overview. We can choose the size of the elements to be displayed. Since I'm going to set up some simple numerical indicators, I'll just choose the medium size. Now I'll create a new indicator by clicking the plus sign. I'll choose the Performance by Stereotype indicator, which displays the percentage of items of a given stereotype that are in a final state. I want to display this information for tests, so I choose the corresponding stereotype from the list. I also have the option to select whether the indicator should use the entire project or be restricted to a certain context. Since I want a global indicator, I'll just leave it the way it is. Okay. So here we see our new indicator. End states for the stereotype test are currently defined as failed or passed. So this number here basically shows me how many tests have been executed. Now I'll create the same indicator for bugs. Now we see here the percentage of bugs that are in an end state, that is, those that have been resolved or those that have been rejected. Now I'll set up a new group for visual metrics, and this time I'll make it larger because we're going to set up some pie charts. So I click the plus sign and create a new chart. I choose now Elements by State, which will create a pie chart divided according to the states that have been defined for a given stereotype. I want to get this information for the stereotype test, so I'll go ahead and select that from the list. So this pie chart here shows us globally what state all of my tests in this project are currently in. Now I'll quickly set up the same type of pie chart for bugs. And here we have the same chart for bugs. The states graphically represented here are defined by workflows that can be fully customized to fit your processes.